1.
Select interaction tuning. Duplicate. Remove last number. OK. Interaction tuning. Data. Update and store name. XML. Update display name. Update animation and icons if you wanna. From broadcast to keeper, copy a basic extra line. Under display name, paste. Participant means who receives the VFX, either actor or target sim. Find a VFX.
Find that in the description.
And replace Reaper. Find a joint and select where it happens.
Find that in the description.
For both of those, if you don't already have the VFX list,
find that in the description.
If you're looking for the joints, also
find that in the description.
Done. Now whichever sim's in the vicinity will get this effect and do this action when they're in the right place. Pretty cool. Don't forget, if you want them to get a different action loop, just go back to the action loop video and make a new one.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.